So this is how you can maintain a daily task on the iPhone. Let me show you my personal way how I like to use it. If it's your first time here, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss the upcoming tutorials and videos similar to this one. So if there's like one thing that you want to focus on throughout the day, you want to see it on your screen every time you look at the phone, there is one way which I prefer to use, and it's through the widgets. So yeah, you can obviously set up as many widgets as you want, but at first I would get the app from the App Store, which is called Any Text. And this is an app which lets you add literally any text to multiple different places around the phone. So you can get that app. It's actually free on the App Store. And this allows you, as I said, to set up the widgets, right? So you can, for example, add a new widget to the home screen. You're gonna pick the app which we just downloaded, and you can choose one text to be there, right? So I'm gonna pick a text which is gonna be, I don't know, this is my main task or whatever I write in here, and it's always gonna be visible on the home screen, right? And the cool thing about it is that I can even add it to the lock screen, because this is literally the first thing which you see when you get inside your phone. And when you customize it and add the widgets there, the app definitely supports it, and you can add the text right there and basically make sure that you always have that phrase or daily task in front of you. So that is like a very manual approach. Outside of that, you can also use like apps like reminders or Google Tasks or Todoist, or more of these like to-do apps which also have like the widgets available and even the ability to like check off completed tasks. So yeah, it depends on which approach you like, but me personally, I like to keep things simple, so I like to go with this option. So let me know in the comments below if you actually managed to make it work. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this, and I hope to see you later in the next videos as well.